Hello, my name is Miss Riza Perdomo, and I am going to be your fifth grade magnet teacher and your digital academy teacher for this school year. Now, Meet the Teacher is going to be happening on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. I'm going to offer you an asynchronous and a synchronous option. Asynchronous means that you can do it on your own time, where synchronous is live and it is happening for everybody in real time. Your asynchronous option for you to do on your own is that on Wednesday, I will release a video that summarizes Meet the Teacher and any information that you are going to need. And that will be released to everyone's email in the morning on Wednesday. You are still more than welcome on Wednesday from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock to stop in if your last name is from A to I and you would like to look around the classroom or ask any questions in person. On Thursday, there will also be a synchronous option for you. So the synchronous option is that at 1 o'clock, when the last names would come from J to R, I will have the Zoom running at the same time. So this way I can live answer any questions for you, and I can also go through my presentation as well for any other visitors that are here and those that are going to be tuning in live. I will record that as well so that if you'd like to watch that at a later time, you can. I'm going to give you options of live and recording throughout the entire school year. On Friday, I will not do another presentation, but from 1 to 2, I will just have an open live Q&A. So if you have any questions during that time, you can tune into the Zoom link that I will provide you in your email, and you can ask questions during that time. So let's just review. The school will be open Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and you are very welcome if you physically want to come in and socially distance to look around the classroom. However, there are going to be other options for you outside of physically coming to the classroom. Your first option is on Wednesday, watching a video at your own time that will be released in the morning time. On Thursday, you have an option of a live interactive Zoom so that you can get that presentation and answer questions. And then finally, on Friday will be another live opportunity from 1 to 2, where you're going to get just opportunity to ask any questions at all that you might personally have, whether you're a student or whether you're an adult. So those are going to be all of your options for this week for Meeting the Teacher. If you have any questions at all, I'm going to be sending you an email with all of this information. Please just respond back to me and I'll get back to you in a timely manner. I do want to extend again how excited I am for the school year. I am so passionate about teaching, and as I've looked at my class list, I'm just beaming with excitement because I know we're going to have a great year together. So please take this time to kind of get yourself ready for a great year, and I will see you very soon on Monday.